Hi, Jen Dirmeyer here to introduce you to my CLI project, a new gem called Weather Hacker. So to get access, just going to clone the repository. And then cd into my Weather Hacker directory and install. So while that's happening, I'll let you know a little bit about what we should expect from our gem. So Weather Hacker is a program that allows users to input their location, and then it generates a list of potential destinations that you could do for last minute travel within 300 miles of your current location. And it also creates a list of weather forecasts, or it attaches a weather forecast to each of those potential destinations, ranks them according to a simple weather score method, and then presents the list to the user to choose from. Once the user chooses from the list, it will provide a link to Wikipedia for further information and the option to continue navigating through the menu. So let's go ahead and check this out. So the first place we're going is our bin into our Weather Hacker do file. So you'll see that it requires the environment, which just requires all of our library files, as well as Nokogiri and Mechanize, prize just for contributing. All right. And it calls a new instance of our Destination Finder class, the main controller for the gem. All right, so in our destination controller, the first thing it does is welcome you and then asks for input of your current city and state. So welcome to Weather Hacker. Where are you today? Let's, since it's Father's Day, we'll do my hometown, which is not where I am, but that's okay. So, oh, there you go. It's going to be 84 tomorrow in Memphis, Tennessee, with a 60% chance of precipitation. So what's happening here is that when you input your location, it's immediately generating a location object. So the two main objects that are collaborating here are location and then destinations. And a location has many destinations, and destinations all have one location. So it creates a new location, and then when a location is created, it has a name, which is the place that you input. It creates weather, and it has an empty array of destinations. So just gonna go sort of laterally right now to look at the weather. Weather is our third class. So weather can be generated for both destinations and locations. And weather has access to a weather scraper, which scrapes weather underground and gets tomorrow's temperature and chance of precipitation for any place that is instantiated, and has the potential to generate a score that you could use to rank a list of places by their weather. All right, so then back to our controller. After it puts out the weather in your current location, it passes you on to the menu. So the menu is a way to navigate through the list that is generated of the destinations for a particular location. So the list is actually generated in right here in list top dest. And what that does is it creates a potential list by scraping travelmath.com right here, and finding all of the major cities within 300 miles. There's actually a list on the website for that, which is helpful. And then using the location method, add new destinations to assign those places and create new destinations for them with this location as their anchor. So when you create a new destination, you have obviously the name, you have the location that it's assigned to, and it also has weather. Okay, so once those destinations are created and assigned to this location, then you can use add new destination, or that's where you create them, and then you can use the top destination score to rank them. So this is separate from the add new destinations, because there could conceivably be many different ways to rank the destinations based on the user preferences. So one way that you could build this out in the future is have a place where you ask the user what their some questions about their weather preferences, which would then tailor the results to them. Okay, so back here in the menu, once you have your list of top destinations that is ranked, in this case, by that simple weather score method, then you get more communication. So you see here your top destinations are, and these are ranked by the simple method of temperature minus chance of precipitation, which you can kind of eyeball it and see that is what's happening. And some of these are negative. Baton Rouge is negative for tomorrow. And so then you get the option to choose. So what looks interesting to you? Enter the number of the city on the list or type exit. So let's go ahead and look. We really want a miserable day. 87 with looks like thunderstorms. So let's go ahead and pick Baton Rouge for tomorrow. All right, Baton Rouge, good choice, maybe. To explore Baton Rouge, visit the Wikipedia page, and then it gives you a preview of what's on the Wikipedia page. Then you are given the list again, so you don't have to scroll back up and find it, and you can either choose another city. So let's do Nashville. Again, same thing, you get the Wikipedia page and the preview, or you can exit. And when you exit, you get a goodbye message, happy traveling, and it works pretty much like that. Thanks very much.